In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not responding to touch. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, a non-responsive screen is usually caused by a software glitch in the digitizer driver or a physical issue with the display's connection. So the easiest thing is a forced restart. So since you can't use the slide to power off slider, you gotta use the hardware buttons to force the system to reboot and recalibrate the touch sensors. So what you want to do is press and quickly release the volume up button on your phone, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then finally press and hold the side button, which is on the opposite side, until the Apple logo appears. And that's going to be the power button you got to press and hold. Just note that this can take up to 30 seconds. And once the phone restarts, the touch functionality should return to normal. And also, it's extremely sensitive, like different iPhone screens, especially the newer ones. They're extremely sensitive to like different sensors that can be tripped up by external factors. So if your case is too tight or has a built-in screen protector, it might be applying constant pressure to one corner, which essentially ghosts the screen so it won't register your actual touches. So if you are using a case, try and remove the screen. Also, make sure your screen is dry. So clean it thoroughly with a dry microfiber cloth, because if it has a tiny drop of water or grease, it might be ignoring the inputs from that as well. Now, the final thing you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find accessibility as one of the options, then go over to touch, go to that, and then you're going to see haptic touch. So go over to that. If it feels slow, switch it from default to fast, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.